Good morning from Jilly Bee's Apiary. It's Tuesday, September 27th, about 8 in the morning, 8:30. Brad and I have strapped down all our hives, not just this location, but each of our locations, just in case we get some heavy gusts of wind that could blow off one of the lighter hives. Some of them are slam full of honey and they'd be way too heavy to move by the wind, but I do not care to take any chances. So it's a beautiful overcast morning, very still, probably what people would call the calm before the storm. I think we're going to get a good tropical storm through here, hopefully. It does not tear up the yard too much, and we'll maintain plenty of flowers for the girls to eat in the coming weeks. So be safe out there. It could very well be a nasty storm for many of us. Be careful, be safe, and we'll check in after the storm. Good luck.